Hey guys, today we're going to be playing Terraria, or I don't know how it's called. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I don't care. We're just gonna go ahead and play. So I'm going to make the best me I can. Nope. Yes. The hair is kind of darkish. The eyes are gonna have to be brown. I'm just gonna put on that color. My shirt, I'm sorry for making my nose like noises. I'm sick right now. Alright, so the pants, dark. And my shoes, white. Pretty decent character. I have no idea what decent means, but okay. Jules is a world that I've already started on, but we're looking for a fresh start right here. So we're gonna create a world called Jules 2. Hurry up! Oh, I'm sick. So yeah, guys, how was your day? Even though I can't hear you. Yeah? Oh, I can't believe she did that. She has no right to do that. Man, I can't believe she threw pie. She had no right to do that. I'm just kidding. Oh, it's taking forever. Terraria. Oh, there it goes. Also, my friend's name is Logan. Hi, Logan. Ooh, look what. What? Oh, I thought it was like a pine tree. Oh, look at this background. It's a forest. I'm gonna have. That's gonna be pretty cool. Oh, what the heck is that? What is that? Oh, it's a slime. It's a slime. Well, then I guess it has to die. And I got hurt from it. Wow. It's probably one of the weakest things in this game. So yeah, guys. This is just episode 1 of what we're gonna be playing till I become the best ever in Terraria. Well, not the best, just rank 100. Rank number 100. I'll never be number 1. So yeah, we're gonna keep collecting this wood. We're gonna come talk to Logan over here. See what we can get with this wood. Greetings, Danny. Is there something I can help you with? Yes, you may. If you want to survive, you will need to create weapons and shelter. Ooh, shelter. That I already got stuff to do that. Let's chop down more wood though. Ah, I'm so sick. What the heck is this down here? What is that? Whatever, I don't care. It's probably copper. Looks like copper. Shines like copper. Tastes like copper. Smells like copper. That'd be actually cool if you could smell stuff in this game. How dare you come crawling back? It was a trap. He put me in a hole. There's 2 of them. What do I do? Kill them all. Alright, this is the last tree I'm gonna cut down. I don't like hurting nature. Nuts! I got 27 nuts. I could feed squirrels with those nuts. Hopefully, I can. Can I? Alright, whatever. Our base of the house is gonna be right here. So let me just take out this layer. There's another one coming. Kill it. Kill it. Oh, he's trying to... Oh, there's 2 of them again. Alright, they're dead. So yeah, we're almost done taking out this layer. Hopefully that guy can move in with us. Can he? I don't know. Ow, my foot hurts. Alright, so this is gonna be our base. Alright, so now let me just add the bottom. Okay, damn it. How many other slimes is in this world? If I could just get them all bunched up into each other and kill them all and never have them here ever again, I'd do it. Yeah, that's actually pretty hard to fight. Nah. Pretty pretty. I think... Oh, God. There's two of them coming from both sides. What do I do? What do I do? Jump over them. Die. Okay, let's go. I'm feeling that we should build up to 10. 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Why not 15? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh, yay! And then this is gonna be like where it separates. Okay, let's go. So 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Alright. Let me just build the roof. I want a big house. I'm gonna make a big house. There's gonna be lots of people living here. Oh, but then I have to build the back. I have to build 2 walls in the background so monsters can't come on in. Well, it's gonna be hard, but I'm gonna have to do it. Alright, so... there's a slime trapped in my house and I don't want it there. And there's a slime coming over here and I don't want it there either. Get out. Get out. Or you can get out of my life. Oh, I can't hurt it from inside. That's going to wait things out. Okay. We're gonna keep playing this until I'm tired of this game. With all this lights. Don't hurt Frederick, whatever his name is. I don't know his name. What's your name? Logan. Okay. There we go. What now? Oh, I know. We have to build the layers. Oh, there's a layer line already here. Cool. Okay, so that layer's done. Now how the hell am I gonna get out of here? I'll probably build like a side building just for stairs. Okay. Oh, I fell off. That's not fun. It's not fun at all. Okay. I'm already getting tired of all the slimes. But it's natural, it's natural. Okay, let's go. Okay, so this game is pretty fun. Where did the slime go? Oh, I hit it with the pickaxe. No, I didn't want to do that. Okay, so right now we need a crafting bench. Put it down there. And we need 2 doors. Oh god, Jesus, the zombies. The thing I'm least afraid of. Ah, these guys are powerful. with a stone axe. I mean, a stone sword. Really? Really? Alright, I guess we have to fight with this. Jesus Christ, I'm not gonna die the first night. Oh, there's another one coming. Oh, there's something up there shining. Oh, there's another one. Yeah, we need to build doors and we need to build doors fast. Probably not building because that's not good. Jesus Christ, these zombies are getting annoying. Go away. That deepest anger. I let him in. I was gonna laugh at him. Oh, there's two of them combined into one. Ow, is that just one zombie? Oh, why am I walking into it? Ah! Oh, I almost died. Jesus. Okay, close this door. No, close. Close, damn it. Close. Oh, if you guys are wondering why I'm uploading so many videos, it's because I want the best thing for you guys. I want to be like 5 videos a day. That's it. That's all I'm gonna do. I'll probably play like old retro games like Galaga, Space Invaders, more Asteroid and Pac-Man. So I'll do 1 episode of Terraria each day. But the 5 videos a day can only happen on weekends because I gotta go to school on the weekdays. So the weekdays I'll probably only upload like 3 videos a day. Yeah. Sorry for that. I have to get something at the door. Ooh, pizza! Yay! Oh, there's a lot of pizza. Jesus Christ! Hold on. Oh my God, that's so good. Ugh. Well, that ends it for this Terraria episode. Please make sure to come back tomorrow for more. I promise you, at like 7 o'clock in the morning, or like 8 or 9 or 10 in the morning, there will be another Terraria episode. Thanks guys for watching. My name's Danny, and thanks for watching. Twice.